Session 4. So we're going to talk about the integration of these three things. Anna confirms the answers in three ways. So, Mang Tomas needs the answer. Tinanong ni Mang Tomas si Anna ng tatlong question. Drawing kasi siya ng graph on the wall, on the bodega. Ganito yung nakita niyang graph. Okay? So, nakita niya, based on the graph, that the number of sacks in the bodega will be empty at days 20. Dito niya nakita yung point na to. At that point, nakita niya rin yung zero dun sa graph. Yung 20 na yan, that is the days. In day 20, mauubos yung sako ng bigas. Ang sabi ni Mang Tomas, ito ba yung zero, Ana? Sabi ni Ana, oo. Okay? Pangalawa, si Ana nung session 2, di ba, nagsulat siya ng equation. S of D equals negative 25D plus 500. Para mahanap daw yung zero doon, we let S of D, yung Y, okay, be equal to 0. At sinolve niya yung D. At alam natin yung D, di ba? Yung D is the days. At on day 20, okay, so that is, mauubos na daw yung number of sacks sa bodega. So, tama. Ang zero natin is 20. Okay? Parang parehas dito, di ba? At dun sa logbook kanina, dun sa session 3, pinakita rin doon na in day 20, okay, mauubos daw yung sako. Okay? And that is also the zero. Tatlong representation, pero iisa ang sagot. Okay? The zero is 20. In 20 days, mauubos na daw yung sako ni Mang Tomas. Eh kung ganun, sabi ni Mang Tomas, um, that means Ana is consistent. I need to arrange a new delivery of palay by day 18 at the latest. Kasi nga na-predict nila sa day 20, mauubos daw yung bigas namin or yung sako ng bigas. So, o-order na ako ng day 18. Ganun kahalaga. Okay? Ganun kahalaga na kaya nating i-predict yung number of days kung kailan mauubos yung mga number of bigas ni Mang Tomas. Okay? So, ngayon, patuturo ko sa inyo yung tatlong representation. Meron tayong graph, equation, at table. Sa graph, meron tayong dalawang point, 0 and 8, and 4 and 0. Equation, y equals negative 2x plus 8. At yung table, given the x values here, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, y values 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Hahanapin natin yung 0 and slope intercept niyan. Okay? At tignan nyo mabuti ano yung ma-observe ninyo. So let's try. The first is from the graph. We have these 2 points. Okay? This is the graph. So we classify this one as, this one is x of 1. Sabihin natin, ito ay x of 1 natin. Ito ay y of 1. This is x of 2. Yan, y of 2. Okay? Then we use the formula for the rise over run. The change of y over change of x. So, since the y of 2 is 0, minus natin yan sa y of 1, 8. Divided by x of 2 is 4 minus x of 1, 0. Again, 0 minus 8 divided by 4 minus 0. Ganun lang yun. 0 minus 8 divided by 4 minus 0. So that is equal to negative 8 divided by 4. Then we have the slope. The slope is negative 2. Okay, the slope is negative 2. So, ano yung 0? Kailangan daw kasi ang y equals kay 0. So, ganito ang technique dyan pag graph. Tignan nyo ngayon ang x-axis. Kita nyo yung bilog dyan na pula? Minulog ang in-emphasize eh. Ang x natin, x-intercept o yung 0 na tinatawag, is yung point na tumama dun sa x-axis, which is, this time, 4. Okay? So, our 0 is 4. Now, punta tayo sa equation. Y equals 2x or negative 2x plus 8. Ano po ang slope? Pag equation kasi, mabilis lang hanapin ang slope, di ba? Usually, ang slope katabi lang siya ng x. The answer is negative 2. Okay? So, ngayon, hanapin natin ang 0. Pag equation naman, we set y equals 0. Parang parehas pala dito, no? We set y equals 0. So, the y here is 0. Naging 0 to. And that is equal to negative 2x plus 8. Now, for us to solve for the x, and that will become our x-intercept, we have to, siguro add na lang natin both sides by 2x. Okay? Bakit? Kasi gusto ko nasa left-hand side yung mga x. So, meron tayong 2x equals 8. Okay? So, nag-add tayo both sides ng 2x, kaya siya naging 2x equals 8. Dividing both sides by 2 will give us 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Oh, sure eyes, parang parehas nga, no? Yung slope namin is negative 2, same sa graph. At yung 0 namin parehas din, x equals 4. Same sa point kung saan tumama yung x-axis. Okay, so same. Now, what about the table? So, how to find the slope sa table? Session 3, pinag-aralan natin. Change of y over change of x. Pili ka lang dyan ng kahit anong row na magkasunod. Sabihin natin, subukan natin tong 6. O ito no, 6 minus 8. Okay, divided by 1 minus 0. So, anong sagot doon? 6 minus 8 divided by 1 minus 0. The answer must be negative 2. 6 minus 8 is negative 2. Divided by 1, that is going to be negative 2. Sir X, pwede ba yan sa kahit saang row? Tingnan natin ngayon ng 4. 4 minus 6 divided by 2 minus 1. 4 minus 6 is negative 2 divided by 1. Kasi 2 minus 1 is 1. That is negative 2. Lahat yan, pareha-parehas, no? So, the slope is negative 2. Now, the 0, where y equals 0, tignan mo ngayon yung table. Yung table na y, ito yung y, di ba? Na equals kay 0, ayan o, na-highlight na natin, ito yun. Sino ang x na katapat niya? Ang x na katapat niya is 4. Kaya, ang x natin is equal to 4. And that will be our 0. Sir Ice, parang pare-parehas, no? From the graph equation table, we have different representation but the same answer. And that is correct. Same po ang ating slope at same po ang ating 0. So, that's good. 3 roads, same destination, graph equation table. Our 0 is always the same. X equals 4 and the slope is negative 2. Okay, so now you can try this one. No, I think ito gagawin natin sa classroom. So this is a gallery walk. Pero if you have time, try nyo na lang hanapin ano ang slope and 0 ng equation na to. Y equals 2x plus 4. Ano ang slope and 0 ng equation na to? Ay, graph. Itong graph. Ganun din po sa table, sa equation, at it's pang graph sa number 5. Okay? So, hanapin nyo lang po dyan yung slope and 0. Again, dalawa lang ha, slope at saka 0 lang. Okay. So, since napag-aralan na natin yung mga yan, no, let's try to wrap it up. So, from the scaffolding vocabulary reinforcement. So, kung kayo ay nahihirapan in terms of English terms, gawin natin Tagalog, no? Paano malalaman ang slope mula sa graph? Sige nga. Para malaman, bilangin ang rise o yung taas o yung baba at run pakanan or pakaliwa. Okay? So, yung rise is 4 divided by run, that is 2 over 3. Okay? Tumaas ng 4, tumakbo papunta sa kanan ng 6, positive yan, at kunin mo lang yung lowest term. 4 over 6, ang lowest term niya is 2 over 3. Okay, pangalawang tanong. Paano mo nalaman ang slope mula sa equation? Dali lang. Hanapin mo lang yung coefficient ng x sa y equals mx plus b. Ano ba yung coefficient niya? Ang coefficient kasi, ito yung number lang. Okay? So, that is equal to 5. Paano mo nalaman ang slope mula sa table? Madali lang. Ang gagawin mo lang, kumuha ng dalawang rows na magkasunod. Slope is equal to change of y divided by change of x. So dito, ang magkasunod na rows ay sabihin natin, yung change of y, ito munang y, ay 1, ito na lang, 1 and negative 2. So 1 minus negative 2. So take note sa sign. Okay? Dahil negative times negative, that is positive. Kaya siya naging equal sa 3. So 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Okay? Next, change of x, 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. Then divide mo na. Slope is equal to change of y over change of x, 3 over 1, that is equal to 3. Okay? And that's it. Now, paano makikita ang 0? Sa graph or x-intercept, ito po yun. Ito po yung 0. Di ba? So, sa equation, iset mo lang yung y equals 0. Solve mo lang. Kunyari, ito, palitan mo ng y, yung 0, palitan mo ng 0 yung y, and then solve for x. Sa table, hanapin mo lang yung row ng y equals 0. Ito yung row na yon, ito yung may y equals 0, at yung x or yung 0 natin, that is 3. Okay? So I hope nakita nyo po yung observation na yan. Again, different ways, same answer. So differentiated practice, kung ikaw ay nahihirapan, you're struggling learners, try to practice this one. Recognizing representation with a table, find a slope and zero. Okay? Of course, for the average learners, given the linear function, ganun din. Solve all three forms of linear function, find slope and zero. Okay? So kung kayo naman ang nararamdaman nyo, medyo parang alam nyo na lahat, no? Grabe, alam nyo lahat, no? Advanced learners, challenge accepted. Given the linear function, f of x equals 3x minus 15, find the slope, find the zero x-intercept, and try to write one sentence to describe what the zero means in real life. Okay? So, as we close this session, let's have a 3, 2,